Hi everybody, I'm back. I'm grafting again. Here's another piece of sandwood. This is from my friend Mahin's tree. This is a polyembryonic Asian variety of mango. I know it's not Manila. I believe it's Nam Dak Mai. She doesn't know, but it looks like to be a good variety and it seems like it grows well here. So shout out to Mahin. Thank you for the sandwood. I'll be back for more. So let's get started. Here's a Manila mango seedling. It's in a pot like last time. I lined it up. Here's a good spot right there. So I'll make my cut there. But first let me wrap my sandwood with this grafting tape. Alright, I covered everything except this part because that's where I'm going to cut and make my cleft to put it right here into the rootstock. So let me double check my spot here. That's good right there. Here's my tools, here's my cutter, sanitized. Here's my box cutter, also sanitized. So we're ready to go. There it is. There it is. And it goes. That's a good fit. Look, I moved my hand away and the sandwood stays in place. That's a good sign. You want that. You want it to hold by itself. And I want to run my finger here and it's a smooth surface. That's how I know that the cambium layers are touching each other. And there's a good chance of success for the graft. Now all that's left is the wrapping. I like to put a few layers of tape here. It creates a greenhouse environment for the tree, for the graft, and it keeps it nice and humid, moist, and safe. And it gives the graft a good chance to be successful. I'll put another layer. There we go. So I'm gonna cut here. these leaves. And there it is. Look at my rootstock. I went down about 1.5 inches. That's all I really need to go down. So I'll make a similar cut here. There you go. Screw on a V-shaped wedge, and we'll put it into our. Oh, that part's a little exposed. Let me cut that. There we go. Something like that. Yeah. There it is. There's a good fit. See, I moved my hand away and I see that there's good contact there between the scion and the rootstock. Left is me wrapping up my graft area. Alright, now that it's fully covered, now I'll put this in indirect sunlight or direct sunlight is fine, because it doesn't get too hot and the sun doesn't get too intense here. The highs right now, the most it'll get is like 85 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you're in a climate that it gets even hotter than that, really hot, I'd recommend putting this in a indirect sunlight, meaning there's light but not the sun beating down on it. And I'll wait about 3 weeks to a month, and we should see shoots popping through this grafting tape if the graft is successful. Hey everybody, so it's been 2 weeks since I grafted, and this is what the grafts look like today. We've had really hot, really humid weather, and that really helps mangoes grow and helps grafts grow. So this is what it looks like now. I know it's successful because the little buds broke through the grafting tape, so that's a great sign. And if you look down here, I removed the grafting tape from the graft union area. I usually don't do that. I let it stay on until the plant itself breaks through the grafting tape, but I just took it apart just so you guys can take a look, see here how the graft is healed. There's the scion right there, and then the rootstock is surrounding it. That's a solid union right there, and hopefully this thing will grow out even more. But this is a good start right there. And here's the this is the Keat scion I grafted. So you guys take a look. Broke through the grafting tape. Let me show you the graft union. There it is. Good solid contact. I'm just starting to see calluses grow right here on the that area right there. And the more calluses grow, the faster the graft will grow. I'm gonna seal these back up after the video. I just want you guys to take a look. This is how you know your graft is successful, once it breaks through the top of the grafting tape. As always, thank you for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and have a great day.